Hello, welcome back to Python RPA. In today's lesson, we will learn how to pass and return values between different scenarios. Let's get started. We start by using the Run Scenario card. We have an additional scenario opened and saved. Say we want to pass value to this scenario. We select the scenario from the drop-down menu in the Path field. In the Params field, we enter parameters in the JSON format. For example, name is John. In order to pass the value of this variable, we have to declare it in the Variables section. In order to receive the value of the variable, we can use Run Python script activity. We will return the value of the previously entered variable called name via a script. We'll do it in the text editor window and then save it. We'll then return to the main process and click the refresh button to pull the updated version of the scenario and launch it. As we can see in the logs, the Run Python script activity in the secondary scenario was ran. The card ID was printed in the logs. The value John, which we have entered previously, was printed in the logs as well. Now we will return a value back to the main scenario. We will add the return value activity card to the secondary scenario. We will add the word dough in the return value field. Back in the main scenario, we will receive the value dough from the secondary scenario. We will use the Run Python script activity card and simply add the Run Scenario card ID number to the word return. This will pull the value of the return value card. We use single curly brackets and the % around the number. Let's start the process. Do not forget to save the scenario if you do any editing. Well, the script ran. We see the word John printed in the logs with the corresponding ID number. The return value card with its ID was printed in the logs with the value we entered as well. The next line printed the Run Scenario card ID number with the word dough because this was set as an exit value of the secondary scenario. The Run Python script line in the logs also has the value dough. It returned the value as an array. Therefore, we can select the first value of the array to just get the value we need. Let's start it. As we can see, the single word dough is displayed now in the logs. All right, let's review the lesson. To pass value, we enter it into parameters in Run Scenario activity card. To return value, we enter it into return value card field. Thank you for watching this video, and come back for more lessons on Python RPA.